Okay, Namaste Telangana. My dear 10th class students, teachers, parents, welcome to this SSC channel program. In this session, I will discuss English subject paper 2 to score maximum marks. Let us see how can we score maximum marks in this paper. You know well, 40 marks of this paper, paper 2, paper code is 14E. In this paper, we have 3 sections. We will discuss first section A. This is reading comprehension. In this reading comprehension, the structure is like that. The 3 passages are given. Actually, 2 passages and 1 poem is given. But here one thing is you have to know that these passages or poems are not aware of you. That means you have not read in your reader or textbook. This is independent textbook passages. It is a English through general awareness of English through English. Okay, let us see 1 to 5 questions in a first passage. In this first passage means not single passage given, small 2-3 passages are given. Okay, what you have to do is especially we got 15 minutes more time compared to other subjects. Because of we have a lengthy paper, it takes time to read the paper. That's why we have to read paper 2 or 3 times carefully. Because you have not read at all in your classrooms these passages. Okay, let us see question number 1 to 5. Okay, after reading 2-3 times carefully, you have to read questions. Don't read questions before reading the passage. If you read the questions first, you can't create a mind map of the passage. You know mind map? While you read this passage carefully, you have to create a mind mapping in your mind. What are the content words? What are the places? What are the times? What the passage content is about, like that you have to create a mind map in your mind. If you read the question first, you know, they struck to create the mind map in your mind. That's why you have to, without reading the questions, you have to read passage carefully first. Then go for questions. If you see the questions, 3 multiple choice questions are given, 4 options are there, A, B, C and D. You have to choose the correct option. Okay, then 4th and 5th question is short answer questions. Each question carries 1 mark, total 5 marks. In the same way, question number 16, 6 to 10, mostly this is given a poem. This poem is maybe asked in your primary school or 6th to 9th classes poems, or maybe you have not seen poem. Mostly the poems are asked, previous papers are by Sarojini Naidu, Ravindranath Tagore, like that. Okay, in this question the thing is changed, 6 and 2 multiple choice and 3 short answer questions are asked. Again the third passage 11 to 15 questions are asked, 3 multiple choice, 11, 12, 13 multiple choice questions, 14, 15 short answer question. Okay, totally in these 3 passages we have 8 multiple choice questions, 7 short answer questions are there. Let us see how can we choose the correct multiple choice questions. Okay, in this multiple choice questions, you can easily choose the correct option if that question is concerned about subject type question or knowledge type question. You can find answer in the line of the passage only. These questions are like that. It may ask names, persons names, places, content words, like that. Okay, then when according to this date, time, year, while time, the 2 actions take place simultaneously, or in the passage some actions takes place sometime and the another action take place the another time. Which time that related question will be asked, while time that is called. Okay, these are the subject type questions, knowledge type question you can choose easily. Then don't hurry to choose your option. To choose correct choice, think twice, then put your answer. Then the some more difficult questions, those are reasons, cause, results, may you find in the passage in your mind map. Okay, then why, then because the sentence is ended with because and then give a dash. Okay, then fill in the blanks type questions, then meaning of word sometimes asked, like this, all these three, these two, these three, total 8 multiple choice questions are asked like this. But one thing you remember, don't hurry to choose your option. To choose correct twice, think and write. If you don't find answer, the last technique is eliminating technique. Okay, you are not able to choose the correct answer. What you have to do is eliminate one by one options, then last option is your answer. There is no way. Now let us see the short answer questions of 3 passages. Earlier we know that in the 3 passages we have 7 short answer questions are there of 3 passages. You have to answer, write in your answer booklet 1 or 2 sentences, simple sentences. But most of the people, students just simply copy down the lines or sentences from the passages. Sometimes they write 2-3 lines. It is not the correct way. We don't find correct answer as it is lines. If we copy as it is lines of passages, you have to read the question carefully. What the question is asking, we have to think. For that you have to know what type of questions are asked. Here mainly 2 types of questions are asked. First one is yes or no questions, which questions are begin with helping verbs or auxiliaries. For example, did, do, does or do forms, is, are, was, were, be forms, have forms, have, has, had. Other forms can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, like that. Okay, these 22 auxiliaries are there. Which questions begins with these words, your answer must be yes or no. They don't find the simple thing, they just copy down the sentences. Okay, how we have to write answers? For example, do you feel to be an Indian? Your most answer in question itself, you have to do simply remove the be form. Then write your option yes or no. Then put a comma. Then replace the pronoun. In not only these yes or no questions, any questions, if you find you have to replace with I. You replace with I, you are replace with my, mine, me, like that. Okay. I feel to be an Indian. In this way you have to write answers. In this case only you will get full marks. Okay. Sometimes your option may be no. Here you have to careful about that. The helping verbs negative form you have to use in the sentence. Which helping verb is the begin of the sentence, you have to find out, then make the negative form of the helping verb. See, for example, do you like movies? Here, no, I don't. This don't is the negative form of do. This is a simple thing you have to change, that's all. If your option is no. No, I don't like movies. That's all. Okay, among these 7 short answer question, you may find 1 or 2 yes or no questions. Simply you will get 2 marks or 3 marks sometimes. Okay, next, question word questions. The remaining all are question word questions. Which questions begins with the question word or sometimes ends with question. Sometimes the sentence is given, then add a question. The statement is given, then asked why, what, like that. Those are also question word questions we have to consider. Okay. Here I already told you in multiple choice questions, knowledge type questions and subject type questions. You can write easily if you ask the places, person's names, the content words, or questions with when. When. This when question answer must be time only. It should be the year or month or date or time, anything else. Okay. Question word where. This, if the question begins with this question word where, your answer must be the place, any city, any village, any place in your house also it may be, if you have in this in your passage. Okay. And see one example. What is the theme of the passage? Okay. What we are doing? We are simply copying from a line from the passage. Don't do that. Use this question sentence to write answer. Understand? Question sentence used to write your answer. See, just these 2 words are there, question word and helping word. Just to remove it, you begin your answer with from here with capital letter the theme of the passage. What was the B form here? Is. So your answer should be like this. The theme of the passage is dash. What is the theme in the passage? Find and write answer. You will get accurate marks. Okay. One more example, let us see. What are the major causes of sleeplessness? See here. Remove these 2. Begin your answers. The major causes of sleeplessness are. Write down. What are the causes? Find out from the passage, then write. At least you find the one reason, you will get full marks. Because of your answer is in a form of a full sentence. It may attract your examiner to award full marks. This is the main thing you have to follow. Okay. Then see one more example. See why did, why questions. Question word why. Here what you have to do is here, read the entire sentence of the question. Why did Kalam went to his science teacher for a dinner next week? Then what your answer should be? Remove why did. Write your question sentence. What are the question sentence? The Kalam went to his science teacher next week, then remove this question mark. In the place of question mark, write because. It becomes the answer form. Then find the reason, put the reason here, you will get full marks. In this way, why did, why were, answers we have to write. Then only the examiner attract towards your lengthy sentence, the right form of the sentence of your answer, then he awarded full marks to that question. One more question word is here. how. How far, how much, how many, how long. If your question is with the how far, your answer must be distance. If your question is how much, your answer should be a quantity. If your question is how many, your answer should be a number. Okay, how long? The period of time. Okay, you have to see this and write the correct answer. Then here is one more question. How does the poet get relief from the burdens? Use this question sentence to write your answer. Remove this how does, question word and helping verb. Begin your answer with this line, question word line. The poet get relief from the burden, dash. Okay, get the answer from the passage and write there. Who are Sophic people? Here also same. Remove these two words. Sophic people, write this helping verb here by removing the question word. Sophic people are dash, like that. Okay. Then here is why were the landlord and his wife surprised? Here also same, the landlord and his wife surprised. Write because, then answer. Or another way you can write, first write the reason first, then write so, then this. So the landlord and his wife were surprised. In these two ways you can write your answer, using because, using so. What is the simple difference is, if you are using because, the question word sentence should be write first, then remove question word, write because. Or find the reason from the passage, write the reason first, then so, then question word sentence. This is the simple technique you have to follow to get maximum marks. Okay. Then sometimes what do you think, like such type of questions ask, what do you do if you are in her place, what do you do if you are in his place, such type of questions asked. For those questions you have to write your answer like that, replace you with I. If I were in her place, then answer. If I were in his place, then answer, like that. Then the second passage is poem, you know. Sometimes the figure of speech may ask, okay, what is the figure of speech of this poem? Whether it is a simile, metaphor or personification, you have to identify then. Then sometimes words meaning will also asked. The one word taken from the passage, then what is the meaning of this word in the context of the passage, like that questions may be asked. You have to aware of that these two passages and one poem are unseen passage to you. You have not read at all. You are reading first time, so read thoroughly 3 or 4 times. Then go for questions, multiple choice questions, then short answers questions. If you have a doubt, go through once again the passage while answering the questions. In that way you can get these 15 marks from section A, reading comprehensions. Let us see what is in section B. Section B deals with vocabulary and grammar, 10 marks. Okay. Question number 16, 17, 18. One small paragraph is given. In this paragraph, 3 sentences are underlined, the numbered with 16, 17 and 18. Below that, they have to ask the questions of this 16, 17 and 18. Okay, begin this sentence with so and so. Write your sentence like this, like that 3 dashes will be given. Mostly these three questions are on these topics. One is direct speech into indirect speech or reported speech, then active voice into passive voice. That means your underline sentence in direct speech, then the question is like to ask like this, rewrite as in a form of reported speech. Okay, then in the same way active voice into passive voice, then question tag, maybe question tag, then synthesis questions. In these synthesis questions, adjective phrases and relative class, adverbs, prepositions, conjunction, participle phrases may ask, not only but also structure either or, neither nor, therefore, however. You have to practice all these structures, grammar structures. If you practice well, you can score 3 marks. Who are expecting to get 10 GPA, this bit is very, very important. In paper 1 and paper 2, this is the most difficult questions, 16, 17 and 18. If you did these 3 questions successfully, you will definitely get 10 GPA. For getting 10 GPA, this bit is very, very important. For that, you have to practice all these structures. Okay, and these conjunctions like and, but, yet, though, although, for, since, as, so, because, and adjective clauses where, which, that, adverbial clauses, if clauses, type 1, type 2, type 3 you have to practice, so that, while you have to practice, a 2 plus infinitive, removal of adverb. Removal of adverb, you know, the ceiling is too high to touch. The ceiling is so high that I cannot touch. So, practice all these structures. It is not time bound to explain all these things in this period. Practice well to get these 3 marks. In this section, vocabulary and grammar, the next question, the 19 to 22 questions, the 4 option multiple choice questions are the test called as close test, 2 marks. Okay. In this question, small paragraph is given. In this paragraph, 4 fill in the blanks are given with the numbered 19, 20, 21 and 22. Then below the passage, 4 options A, B, C, D. You have to choose the correct option. Okay. What are test in this passage? You know, the B forms. Okay. Preposition, person, number, gender, PNG, and pronouns, articles, A and the, adjectives, adverbs, and verb forms V1, V2, V3, V4. These in these 4 options, multiple choice questions like that questions are given. You have to choose your right options according to the passage. Read the passage carefully with 4 or 5 times, then only you can identify the right preposition or right article or right pronoun according to the passage. Suppose pronoun is there, no, the passage is talked about the feminine gender, the pronouns are given like that, he, she, you, they, like that. You have to choose she. Okay. The passage is talked about the neutral gender, the option it may be the it. Sometimes the verb forms are asked. The passage is in simple present tense. Your options, verb forms are one is V1, another V2, eat, ate, eaten, eating, like that. You have to choose V1, eat, because the passage is in the form of in a present tense. If your passage is in the past tense, your option should be eat. Okay. According to the passage, we can't say always ate is right. Sometimes eating also right in a past sentence passages. Okay. That's why you have to read 4 and 5 times passage, then only you will find the right options of these grammatical structures. Okay, sometimes B forms is, am, or sometimes B forms of present tense or past tense are given. Is, was, were, am is given. According to the passage, you have to select the B form, right B form. Okay, this is the article. It is very easy. Definitely you will have one article question in close test. Most of the close test are with articles we find. You know well when we use a and when we use an well. Practice once again these. Come to the next question. Question number 23 to 28. After close test, we will find one passage with 6 blanks. But after blank, you have 2 choices are there, like gone, going, dash, give away, give out, like this. With 6 fill in the blanks with brackets of 2 options. It is very easy to choose your answer if you are aware of all the grammatical structure, all these things. And one more thing is, I have not tell you the read about phrasal verbs also. It is very important. 1 or 2 phrasal verbs are frequently asked in our public examinations. Okay, here also one phrasal verb question is asked. You will see. The paragraph is like this. The moment the last paper is over, I am dash, gone, going. The 2 options, gone and going. To step outside the examination hall and dash, give away, give out. Give away, give out are the phrasal verbs. Then the loudest yell that I can dash, muster, master. This will be yell, dash, that who, the relative conjunctions, tells the world that examination are over, the months of toil, sweat and dash, tense or tension, the appropriate word here, have ended and it is the time dash, from, for, proper preposition. Always not like this. Sometimes asked article, sometimes preposition, gender, number, person, like that it will change. You have to thorough all of you earlier before close test 19 to 22 questions I wrote all those things. What are the grammar structures we have to learn? Just again, once again practice well. You can't learn by the reading of this material. Practice it. Make it is usage. Make them into a usage, then only you will find the right answers. Other way you can't. You can't by heart the number of laws of English grammar. The simplest way of learning writing correct English is practicing so many times. Practice always. Okay? In this way you can write these 6 blanks. You will get 3 marks. Okay? Then the one more, the last bit in this vocabulary and grammar, that is 29 to 32 questions. Come to the next question. The question number is 29 to 32. Okay, in this question the paragraph is given. In this paragraph you find 4 fill in the blanks, but with a single word. This word is not appropriate, not suitable to this sentence of this passage. You have to modify this word. Okay, you have to change the form of the word. Here is the target, is here same 4 words, 29, 30, 31, 32. 4 words are given like this. For example, books are good source of dash, entertain. Entertain is not suitable. What is the right form of the word here? Entertainment. Okay, like that you have to practice synthesis of a word, suffix, prefix, interchange of adjectives, adverbs, nouns to adjectives, adjectives to adverbs. Like that you have to practice. If you practice the synthesis of words, interchanges of words, you will get these 2 marks. Otherwise you can't. You have to practice while reading your text like that or any English material. Then only you will get these 2 marks. Then we have the last section, section C, the creative writing part. Creative writing part. In this creative writing part, you will have 2 questions, 33 question number 33 and question number 34. In this creative writing section 3C, these are choice is given. 5 major discourse are may asked. What are major discourse? BLRS. Biography, essay, letter, report or news report, then speech script. Okay, you have to practice. Then in minor discourse, the last question, 34th question, you don't have option. The poster, invitation, profile. Okay, you have to write answers. How we will get these 15 marks from this creative writing section, we will see. Okay, in section C, the major discourse, 5 major discourse are biography, essay, letter, news report or report and speech script. Okay, there are multiple one choice is there. Two questions are asked, you have to write only one answer, but I suggest you to write both 2 answers, which will get more marks. It will be considered. So write both the answers. Suppose in your examination paper, letter and news report asked, write letter as well as news report also. If you get more marks to letter, it will consider. Otherwise news report got more marks, it will consider which is high, which got high marks. Okay, I will explain all these things in PPT. See just one glance about a letter. The official letter, date and station, salutation, to address, from address, then sir or madam, about the your answer. You have to read the question carefully, what the question is asked. First to identify the question is to whom we have to write a letter. Just go through your question paper, then you can underline. Write a letter to is there, then underline. Write a letter to the Sub Inspector of Police, write a letter to the Municipal Commissioner of Municipal Council, like that you have to find in your question paper. Then you can write this, the officer name, office name, town name. Then 2. These 3 things you have to write in your own. Okay. Then from address is yours. Then which issue is discussed or which issue is report to ask, you have to write in 2 or 3 paragraphs, simple paragraphs about that issue. Then yours faithfully and your name are XXX, your station name, that's all. It's the form of official letter. Okay. Then personal letter, the little difference here, to address comes last. Okay. Here dear or my dear comes in salutation. Then the paragraphs which is asked in the question, you have to write. Here yours lovingly, here is yours faithfully. That little difference. You have to practice number of letters by writing in your rough work, then only you will get 10 marks if letters comes in your examination. Remaining biography, essay, news report, speech script I will discuss in a PPT show. Then come to the next question, the question number, last question. Okay, minor discourse question. Here is you don't find a option, a profile, invitation, poster. If only one minor discourse asked. Here the poster, the form of the poster is like this. Every minor discourse have the outline. Then especially regarding these posters, while you are designing this poster, you are keep in mind that your script have to 3 sizes, font sizes are 3. You have to write big letters, headings, some middle size of letters font size. Then font type also you have to change in this poster. Mostly in the poster, you have to design a poster, you have to know slogans, what is the matter, what are the highlighting points. These things you can imagine by your question. If you go through questions carefully, you can struck in mind all these things. Okay, but one thing you don't forget, in the bottom you have to write in the poster is issued by, whereas in the invitation you have to write invited by. Both are by. Okay, one is issued by, the for invitation is invited by. Don't forget that. Then under this, who is the person or who is the officer, and office name, station. These are the 4-5 lines you may covered at the bottom of this minor discourse. In the same way here also. Okay. Then in the top you can write the heading of the poster. What is the suitable heading for what the heading you suggest, you have to write here. The slogans I will write after this. Some environmental slogans, girl child slogans, like that I will write, by heart it, and according to that you select and write. Okay. In poster, one more thing is you can draw a picture also, regarding that picture also. Okay. In invitation, the heading is must, then inviting sentence is must. You are cordially invited, like that. Okay. Then venue, date and time, where the that occasion takes place, and when, time. These are the important things in minor discourses. If you keep in this mind this venue, date and time, guest, like this, no, you will get easily 5 marks for this minor discourses. But one more one important thing is, remember, write this minor discourse in a fresh page. Okay, don't write in a half page, take entire page, full page. Okay, that is suitable to you. Okay, here are the few slogans. First, environment slogans. Copy down and by heart this. It will helpful to write in poster or major discourses like that. Okay. Celebrate every day as Environment Day. Second one, don't be so mean, just to be green. Love the nature for your future. Regarding pollution, give a hoot, don't pollute. Global warming is actually global warning. A wonderful slogan is here. Global warming is actually global warning. Then environment is life, pollution is death. This such type of slogans you have to prepare to write this in discourses. Okay, few of girl child slogans are here. A girl child and an uncut diamond. Girls are angels, save them. Girls are flowers of heaven. Road safety slogans are here. Accidents do not happen, they are caused. Don't use cell phone while driving. And drink and drive cannot go together. These two very, very important to write in a poster or any other major discourses. Section C, one example here, PPT is here. See, like this passage given, 1 to 5 questions. Read the passage, read the following passage. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 passage are given. Okay, you have to read this passage thoroughly 3 or 4 times. Then go for project Mercury is dash. Options like A. American woman pilot program, Soviet Union's first human space flight program, like these 4 options. Okay, then like this second. Then go for the next second slide, the third question and fourth question. Okay, this is the third multiple choice question. Dr. Lovelace was the person who 4 options are like this. You have to choose right option. Then the fourth one and fifth one, short answer questions. What are tests conducted by Dr. Lovelace with like that? Can't women fit for hard task like space program? This can't, helping verb. Yes or no question. Okay, this is the question word question. Okay, you can write. Then the second bit 6 to 10, read the following paper. Views weaving at break of day, like this Sarojini Naidu poem is given. In this poem some glossary words are also given. Now answer the following options. Same 3 options here, only 2 options, 3 short answers questions are given. Okay, next okay, 2 multiple choice questions. The 6 1 7 1. Chill here means A option disappointment, B option sadness, C option unpleasant cold, frustration. Okay, these 3 questions, question word questions. Okay, this is the second bit. Now the third passage, go for third passage, question number 11 to 15. The passage is given same, as like a first passage, 3 multiple choice questions, 11th, 12th, 13th, 3 multiple choice questions and 2 short answers question. Who helped Heller? The knowledge type question. Name 2 characters, knowledge type question, because these are unseen passage, independent text passage, so the questions may be very easy. Mostly questions are knowledge type questions asked. So go through the passage thoroughly, you will definitely get your answers. Okay, this is the reading comprehension. Then come to the second section B, vocabulary and grammar. We will see one example. The section B, vocabulary and grammar. A small paragraph, 17, 18 and 19th. 16, 17, 18. 3 sentences are underlined. Now answer the questions are given. Rewrite the sentence begin with he said. Actually that is the direct speech. He said, a friend in need is a friend indeed. You have to write in a reported form, reported speech. Okay, then rewrite the sentence with friendship is greater. Comparative degrees of comparison. Okay, as well as the structure is as well as, not only but also is here. You have to change into write with as well as. Okay, if you practice all the grammar structures, you can get these 3 marks. Okay, next question number 19 to 22. A small passage with 4 blanks. Okay, these blanks, for 19 blank, the 4 options, the, a, and no article. Regarding article, you can write easily. One day of holy dash heap. The, a, and no article. Which is the right answer? A heap. Okay, like that conjunction, verb form, smeared, smearing, smear, smears. Okay, between, at, on, preposition. Okay, like that sometimes change. Okay, then the next question is question number this 23 to 28. Okay, here are fill in the blanks with bracket options. 2 options here. You have to choose just 2 words are here. Attended, attend. Which word is suitable to here according to this passage? Some students live with their parents and dash. Attended their schoola, attend their schoola. Like that you have to choose the answer. Simply while you are writing on your answers booklet, just you have to write these numbers, write the answer. No need to write all this paragraph of all the passages. Okay, then last one, last bits 29 to 32 of vocabulary and grammar. The blanks are given with a single word, but this word is not a appropriate word. You have to change the word. Educate, educated is not suitable, educated is suitable. What is the word? Good, good is correct, best is correct, better is correct. You have to think and answer. Okay, like this you have to answer in your booklet. Okay, this is regarding section B of 3 bits. Okay, thank you.